Then comes inheritance and accessibility. So this table is explaining the access specifier and whether that whether the members under that access specifier are accessible inside their own class, whether they are accessible from derived class, whether they are accessible from outside the class. So if the access specifier is public, suppose you have a base class, inside that base class you have private members, you have protected members, and you have public members. Okay, so first we are talking about the public access specifier. So the members which are public, they are accessible inside the class, they are accessible in the derived class, they are accessible outside the class. So everywhere they are accessible. Okay, then we come to the protected section. So the members which are protected, they are accessible inside their own class. Yes. They are accessible in the derived class. Yes. This we have seen in the very first example, the counter example. In the counter example, the variable count was declared protected in the base class. And in the derived class, we were accessing this. Okay. Where were we accessing it? We were accessing it in the decrement function, count minus minus. So this was valid. Why? Because count was protected. We also tried to make it private. What happened in that case? In that case, count was not accessible. Okay. So the protected data members are accessible inside their own class. They are accessible from the derived class, but they are not accessible outside the class. Okay. If you write count C1 and then you write C1 dot, this is counter. Counter is the name of the base class. So counter C1, you create an object of class C1 and then you try to access count C1 dot count. Will it work? No, it will not work. Why? Because count is protected. Protected means the variable is accessible inside its own class and inside the derived class, but not anywhere else. Okay. And the last is private section. You know very well about the private section now. The members which are private, they are accessible only inside their own class. They are not accessible from outside. They are not accessible from the derived class. Okay.